Bonjour, good morning. It's French Digital Class 2. We learn l'article indéfini, indefinite article in French. Before we go into the lesson, let's know some special symbols are used in French. These symbols give a different sound to the letter it is used with. They are capable of changing the very meaning of the word it is used with, and so the omission of these special symbols are treated to be spelling mistakes in French. So, whenever you find a special symbol with some letter or word, do write with those symbols. The special symbols are, first of all, E acute accent. See, over E there is an accent. That's called l'accent aigu, acute accent. The next one, l'accent grave, grave accent. Third one, l'accent circonflexe, the circumflex accent. And le tréma, the tréma. Okay, as I have told you, do learn and write the words with these symbols. In the beginning, you may find it a little confusing and difficult. As you keep learning, it will get used to that. You will find it easy. In English, we have only one indefinite article, a. That can be used. This a can be used for all singular nouns irrespective of the gender. It's a man, a woman, a dog, a pen, a desk, a computer, a house, a playground, a teacher. Every singular noun you can use a. But there is no neuter gender in French. You have two equivalents for a in French, un and une. Pronouns un. It's not un or un. It is un, une. Un, une. As I have told you, there is no neuter gender in French. So all the neuter gender nouns of English are classified either under masculine or under feminine in French language. The equivalent of a in French is un and une. Un is used for all singular nouns, masculine singular nouns. Example, un garçon, a boy, un homme, a man, un garçon, un homme. For feminine singular nouns, we use une, une fille, une femme, une fille, une femme. A girl, a woman. Un garçon, un homme, une fille, une femme. Un is used for all masculine singular nouns. Une is used for all feminine singular nouns. In French words, most of the last consonants are silent and vowels are pronouns. First, let's see some examples for masculine singular nouns. Repeat after me. Un mouchoir. Un mouchoir, a handkerchief. Un oiseau, a bird. Un cahier, cahier, a notebook. Un calendrier, a calendar. Un crayon, a pencil. Un sac, a bag, handbag. Un livre, un chat, un chien. A textbook, a cat, a dog. Un. So we see some examples for masculine singular nouns. Masculine singular, we use un. This un oiseau, look at the second one. Un oiseau, that becomes un oiseau. Un oiseau becomes un oiseau. Now, feminine singular nouns. Repeat after me loudly. Please repeat. Une montre. Une montre. Une gomme. Une horloge. Une horloge. Une clé. Une table. Une maison. Une règle. Une chaise. Une lampe. Une montre. Une gomme. Une horloge. Une clé. Une table. Une maison. Une règle. Une chaise. Une lampe. For masculine, we used un, and here for feminine singular nouns, we use une. Fine. What's the plural of a boy? Some boys. A girl? Some girls. So, the indefinite article a changes into some in the plural form. Understood? Indefinite article a and un change into they in French. A changes into some, une, and un. Both change into they. They takes the meaning of some. Un garçon, des garçons. Une fille, des filles. A boy, some boys. A girl, some girls. We'll see some more nouns in plural form. Un and une change into they in French. Un mouchoir, des mouchoirs. Un crayon, des crayons. Un livre, des livres. Un sac, des sacs. A kerchief, des some kerchiefs. A pencil, some pencils. A textbook, some textbooks. A handbag, some handbags. Un changes into they. Un mouchoir, des mouchoirs. Some more examples. Un garçon, des garçons. Un homme, des hommes. Un chien, des chiens. Un chat, des chats. Understood? Un garçon, des garçons. Just by adding yes with the noun, we get the plural form. There may be some exceptions. First, to just learn, we add yes with the singular noun to make it into plural. Une montre, des montres. Une gomme, des gommes. Une table, des tables. Une chaise, des chaises. Une montre, des montres. Une gomme, des gommes. Une table, des tables. Une chaise, des chaises. So, un changes into they in plural. Une also changes into they in the plural form. Some more examples. Une clé, des clés. Une maison, des maisons. Une lampe, des lampes. Une règle, des règles. Une clé, des clés. Une maison, des maisons. Une lampe, des lampes. Une règle, des règles. Beware, the last S is not pronounced. Last consonant is silent in French. It is not des maisons. It is maison. Garçon, garçon. It is not garçons. It is garçon. Fille, fille. It is not fils. It is fille. The last consonant in most of the cases is silent in French. Garçon, garçon. Fille, fille. Just by adding s, you get the plural form. In many cases, most of the cases. There may be some exceptions. For example, un oiseau. Oiseau, bird. Normally, e, a, u ending nouns take x in the plural form. Instead of yes, they take x. Un oiseau, des oiseaux. Again, the x is silent. Un oiseau, des oiseaux. Next challenge in French. Man is masculine, we know. Woman is feminine, we know. Boy is masculine, girl is feminine. Father is masculine, mother is feminine. Man, boy, father, masculine. Woman, girl, mother, feminine. But how do you know whether this table is masculine or feminine? Or wall is masculine or feminine? A house, an eraser, a laptop, a playground, a school, a door, a window. How do I know whether it's masculine or feminine? There is a clue in French to find out whether it's masculine or feminine. It's not 100% proof, but you can take it as a small guideline. E ending nouns. Most of the E ending nouns are feminine. It's only a small guideline. It's not 100% proof. So now let's have a test now. Test of what you have learned in this video. So if you are not quite sure of the answer, you can play back this lesson and find out the answer. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Repeat with me. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? The first answer is c'est un crayon. C'est un crayon. So next one you must write. Say what? Handbag. What is handbag in French? You must write. Third one, kerchief. Textbook, calendar, dog. And the bird and cat, you must write, this is a bird. C'est un crayon means this is a pencil. So you must write for bird and cat, this is a bird. This is a cat. That's how you must write. A small test. If you are not quite sure, please play back this lesson and find out the answer and try to write the correct answer. If there are some accents, do write that. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? C'est une gomme. Then table, chair, watch, house, lamp, key, and ruler. So write the answer for this also. You are supposed to go through these lessons, play back these videos at least for half an hour to 1 hour a day till you are quite sure of the content. So have you finished this part of the test? Now let's go to the next part of the text. That's you must write the singular noun into plural noun. The first answer is given une lampe, des lampes. So you must continue writing un crayon. What's the plural? un pupitre, un livre, un garçon, un stylo, un homme, une montre, une table, une horloge, une fille, une femme, une chaise, une gomme. You must always repeat with me the pronunciation loudly to get used to French pronunciation. So make these words into plural. You may validate your answers with the video lesson. We'll meet in the next lesson. Till then, bye bye. You may subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so earlier for the latest notifications. Thank you.